I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, it's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Dennis, good morning.
It's Merry Christmas, Mike.
Merry Christmas.
We're gonna get a Christmas turkey today.
Hopefully. I got Christmas chicken right there. Yeah. Bird hunt.
It's a good Christmas.
Yep. Hey there, buddy. Kinda early, huh? Dennis.
Mm-hmm.
What cold?
Huh?
Cold, yeah.
Cold.
It's cold. And I mean on the mountain.
It's cold.
Alright, that's spot we're gonna go. Just waiting for the sun come up. Oh yeah. It's an ugly one. Where the horns is this one? Young yet. Still shoot them.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Merry Christmas, Dennis. Christmas Day. I hear plenty doves. I kind of see them.
Let's get some turkeys.
And you can shoot birds on a tree now. So then you guys know. Google it.
If it flies, it dies.
Yeah, if it flies, it dies. On the ground, it dies.
Franklins, turkeys, quails.
You can shoot on the tree. So, don't be mad at me shooting birds on the tree. Oh, on the ground, eh? Oh, these doves. Smart. And when you go up to them to the tree, they just fly. Fly tree to tree. And then you just miss them. You need to lose them. Oh, yeah. Well, I hear them. Just gotta find them. And it's hard. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. You hear them, but you just don't see them. I say lucky. And then you gotta walk over these rocks. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's Mr. Sun. The Christmas sun, guys. Huh? Copycat. Yeah, I see you recording, so I record too. Tiny ball. Oh, there's a dove. Aww. Where'd he go? See, I was recording. You plenty doves above you. There's one right there, passing by right now. Right there, Dennis, coming to you. See him? Right there, coming to you, Dennis. Right there. Right there, dove. A small herd of them. Oh, that's a lot of goats. on.
I was looking for lighter color. I wasn't
Got him.
That thing blends in.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
It took a while to find this. It took almost 5 minutes finding this little thing. Tough cutlet.
Let me get behind you.
One more. 2 down. Oh, look at that headshot. Miss. Miss. Kind of hard aiming to shoot with one hand. Alright, that was some doves. Oh, get some more doves. We found them. Bird hunt. Christmas Day. Sure. Nice. How's that, eh? Road doves. So we call road doves. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Christmas doves, Christmas doves.
Good size. Oh, he's been busy. A busy bee. Billy over there. Oh, there's behind him too. About 50 yards behind on the hill they're running. Oh, there's some more coming. More.
Get him. On that tree. Shoot him on that tree. Alright, new spot, Dennis. Cowboy trees. Hopefully they get Franklin's. We hear doves already, so. And they gave me a nickname. They call me Dove Boy. Well, only seen doves as I. It's a plover, eh? Meh. We get two. Bah. Got him. Yeah. Okay, then split up. Try see what up we get. Dick around there. Bird season, so this is walk regular. Plenty goats, cows. More cows and goats than birds over here. Kiawe trees. Oh, here the goat. Look at that fall. Canteen. Oh, Butterfinger. Going right now. So, if you guys find that, you know where I was. Whew. Mid-afternoon, still nothing. Just dogs. Dogs everywhere, kinda. You just have to shoot them. Or they hide in the tree. No Franklin, no pheasant, Urkel, no fucking turkey. Only being turkeys. Whew. Some breeze though. Sweet chair. We'll head back to the truck and find another spot. And that's the case right now. Oh, check out these tomato looking watermelon plant. No way, nothing eats it. Probably poisonous. Something like that. Oh, that'd be dead. Dead. Got him. Well, I missed that one. So we came back to this spot. We call this turkey lane. Turkeys looking for turkeys. Well, it mostly doves. But I choked actually. I shoot like 7 times. Only got two doves. But I couldn't find the other one. So I got 1 dove. It's mine. I took action though. Just like that. Dove breasts. With little hearts. Missing a chicken. Dennis, how's it day?
Best Christmas ever. 20,
Yeah, you.
25.
Good day. It's the end of the hunt. Next time again. Next year.
Huh?
Maybe, I don't know.
No, it's for New Year's.
New Year's. Oh, yeah, I don't think I'm.
Holiday.
Yeah. New Year's.
We'll check out a new spot to hunt.
Maybe New Year's we can use this.
I expect we will.
Can you use it? Oh, what? This weed whacker coming with us too, so we can cut churros.
I've got a strange little other side. A temptation I don't try to hide like it's pretty.
Eggnogging.
We're noggin.
Cost you more. You'll tell.
Not bad.